All right, this is part of properties of definite integrals. This is part of properties of definite integrals. All right. So this was a worksheet. This is page 2 of that worksheet. If you could just take it as notes, that's fine too. All right. So let's look. So you're given 3 definite integrals from 0 to 3 of f and 0 to 6 of f and 0 to 6 of 8. I'm sorry, 0 to 6 of g, not 8. All right. So here, I'm doing number 15 first. And I don't have enough space to do that. So I'm asked to find 3 to 6 or 6 to 3. And remember this form. If I have from a to b of some function, that's going to equal a to c and c to b of that same function. So that's what we're doing here. We want to rewrite it so I have that set up. So what I have is 3 to 6, and I have 0 to 3 and 0 to 6. So I can set up the way it's set up in my mind. I'm going to do 0 to 6 of f of x equals 0 to 3 of f of x plus 3 to 6 of f of x. Right? So this has that same setup as the one I have here, a to b, where a is 0 and b is 6 and c is 3. So to make this work, these two numbers have to be the same. It doesn't matter what the number is, they just have to be the same. All right. Now, we're told what? We're told that 0 to 6 is 7 and 0 to 3 is 5. And we just don't know what that is, but you know, that's 2. All right. So the answer is simply 2. All right, move on. We just found 3 to 6. Now there's a 2 in front of it in number 16, so just 2 times 2, which is 4. And here, 0 to 6 of twice f of x plus g of x. So since they both have 0 to 6, you're just going to do 2 times 7 plus 8, which is 22. And number 18, so this one's a trick, right? Pay attention to the limits. We call these the limits. Since they're the same, the answer is 0. All right. Here, number 19, we have from 0 to 6 of 3f of x. 0 to 6 of 3f of x. So that's just 3 times 7, right? And then here, 0 to 6 to 0 of 5 g of x. So that's backwards and multiplied by 5. So that's going to be, oops, that's not an equal sign. That's a minus sign. Minus 5 times 8 is 40. So that's 21 minus 40, or just negative 19. And the last one, 0 to 3 of f of x is, what was it, 0 to 3? Did we do that? Oh, it's 5. All right, 0 to 3 is 5. So it's 5 minus 6 to 0 of f of x. So that's this one. But we've got to take the opposite of that. So it's the opposite of that. So it's negative 7. 5 minus negative 7 is 12. I'm going to go ahead and do this page or these problems simply because, what's the word? Because, when you're doing these problems like this, that look like this, we want to not do it sideways. What does that mean? Well, I want to do it this way. Break it up in vertical sections. The reason why you want to do it in vertical sections so that when you're given random intervals of x, you don't have to refigure out everything. Okay, because some of you were doing it sideways, where you found the rectangular part here, and then you find the little piece up here, little piece over there. What if I told you to do it from -3 to 1? You're gonna have to redo it, right? So just do it in the vertical spaces. All right, so this is 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 2, so 9. So that's 9. And this piece here, so this is a semicircle. It has a radius of 2. So remember, regular circles, pi r squared. So that's going to be pi times 4. But it's a semicircle, so I have to divide by 2. So it's 2 pi. All right, so that area is, but that's the area here. That's 2 pi. So to get the whole area, you're going to find it. You find the area of the rectangle that it's in, or it turns out to be a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. So that piece in there is 16 minus 2 pi. Okay. Here, this is a triangle. 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6. Here, it's a triangle again. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3. But it's below the x-axis, so we say it's negative 6. All right, armed with that, now we're going to answer the questions. So it's easier, it's less distracting to go ahead and fill it in before you start answering these questions, okay? So here, from negative 8 to 8, so you're going to go from far left to the far right, so you just add all these up. So that's going to be 4 plus 9 is 13, 19, I'm adding them out of order. 19 and 16 is 35. 35 minus 6 is 29. So it's 29 minus 2 pi. By the way, if I make a math error, just leave a comment below. Let me know I made a math error. It's not even 5 a.m. and okay, I'm shutting up. All right, let's look at 23. Yeah, so yeah, that's the answer. That's just 29 minus 2 pi. Negative 8 to negative 3. So I'm going from negative 8 to here. So that's just 4 plus 9 is 13. Isn't that right? Am I reading that right? Yeah. And 24 is 4 to negative 3. 4 to negative 3. 4 to negative 3. All right. So, yes, I'm not consistent the way I say it. So here's negative 3 all the way up to 4. So we're looking at this region plus the 6. So 16 plus 6. Wait, it says 4? No. All right, I read it wrong. All right, so negative 3 to positive 4. 16 plus 6 is 22 minus 2 pi. So that's a 16 minus 2 pi plus 6. So that's 22 minus 2 pi. All right, and then 25 is from 1 to 8. 1 to 8, here's 1. Is way over here. So 6 plus negative 6. All right. 6 plus negative 6 makes for 0. All right. And then 26 is 8 to 4. Here's 8. There's 4, but it's backwards. It's backwards. Since it's backwards, so it's the opposite of the negative 6, which makes it positive 6. All right. And then 27, twice that. Let's see, 1 to 4. 1 is here, 4 is there, so you're going to take twice the 6. So it's twice the 6. So this is equal to 2 times 6, which is 12. Okay, and then 28. We're going to do 1 to 8 absolute value. So we want to take positive values of all of this. So that's going to be 4 plus 9 is 13, plus 12 is 25, plus 16 is 41. So 41 minus 2 pi. All right, basically, you just want the positive version of that. And then add it to all of those. So it's simply not adding 6. You end up adding 12, not adding 6. And here, absolute value. And I did the wrong problem. Okay. So that was wrong. That was wrong. The 41 minus 2 pi. That's going from negative 8 to positive 8. So I just did number 29. For 28. So that's 41 minus 2 pi. This one's going from 1 to 8 absolute value. 1 to 8 is positive 6 plus positive 6, so that's 12. So I just did it backwards. All right, 6 plus 6 is 12. All right, that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. If not, just leave a comment. Leave a hate comment. All right.